G'day, my name's Jim. A few years ago, my beautiful car went under 4 metres of flood water, and ever since I've been fixing her back up. Now, whatever the hell was in that water has just peeled the paint completely off parts of my car. So today we're going to do a 2 metre job on one of the rims. A 2 metre job it looks good from about 2 metres away. So we just need to jack up the car, rip the rim off, give it a really good wash, then hit it with a wire wheel to remove any loose paint. And I'm going to slap a bit of etch primer on it, make sure the paint sticks. Now we're going to hit it with some flat black. You can't use gloss or it'll look like shit. You have to use something that's not shiny. Then we roll her over and stick bits of thin cardboard in between the rim and the tyre as to not get paint and crap all over the tyre. Some more etch primer. And some more black paint. And there you go, now we're cooking with gas. That looks a shitload better. After our paint's reasonably dry, we can pull our cards out and stand back and have a look. Well, that's a crap load better than what it was. What do you reckon? That's worth a couple of hours? If I wanted to do these properly, I'd sandblast them or just sand them right back to nothing and then do a proper paint job on them. But I really don't like these rims very much. I want a set of 5 spokers, so I just need them to last another couple of years, and I'll try and get a decent set of rims. Some Simmons or something would be really nice, but they're a tiny bit expensive. So the last thing I need to do is zip the wheel back on. Although I tell you, I really need to paint these nuts next, I think, because they look like crap. Well, there you go. 2 hours work and $25 worth of paint. And that's a hell of a lot better. And if I can do it, you can do it too. You can do it. Well, there you go. Hope you liked the video. If you could use a good laugh, then check out my review channel. It's got over 100 hilarious videos on there. Big shout out to my Patreons, Mitch, Jackson, Legend Boys. If you want to be a legend as well, follow the links to Patreon, where members get to speak to me live and get videos sent to you early, as well as knowing you're helping out a creator. But if you're broke like me and still want to help, next time you go out, put on one of my playlists for your dog or your cat, or maybe you hate your neighbours, in which case you get turned up nice and loud. Oh well, you'll be good, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Play the music! Techno.
Cosmopolitan Rave.